step there when I got down, and I thought, am I just... Beautiful.
Say hello. There's our villa. There's the steps there. Who's that? Who's that, Rosie? Hey!
Quaco, no way.
No.
We got more visitors. We got a white peacock. Let's see, go up close as you can. Up close and personal.
Who's that in our yard?
What did I do to this